With the onset of winter, most gardens and gardeners slow down. But why? There are certain plants that are only starting to thrive at this time of the year. Why not embrace them? Here are 4 top winter plants to get you back outdoors. Escallonia is a compact evergreen shrub that tops out at about a meter. It's perfect for hedges or a standalone plant. Escallonia needs full sun but can tolerate a bit of light shade and has moderate watering requirements. These plants do grow in colder climates and are resistant to coastal winds. Apply a slow-release 315 fertilizer from August to April for lush growth and to boost their soft pink flower clusters. Magnolia grandiflora. This plant, with its glossy leaves and large fragrant blooms, needs to be planted in a sheltered spot away from excessive wind and frost and will treat your eyes with its large white or cream white flowers. Magnolia plants, especially those that are younger than 2 years, need watering weekly. However, if you notice that the soil is still damp, avoid watering. They don't do well with soggy roots. Leucospermum, the pincushion Protea. These beauties are known for their fiery, rounded pincushion flowers. They grow best in full sun with well-draining soil. The flowers do exceptionally well as cut flowers and really take your bouquets to the next level. Their bright blooms attract bees and other pollinators, providing a much-needed winter food source. Foxgloves. These tall beauties bring vertical color to the last of the cool season. With their bowl-shaped flowers, foxies should be sown in autumn as they establish strong roots over winter and they bloom reliably in spring in various shades of purple, pink or white. Loved by bees and birds alike, these flowers offer a reward as the garden bounces back to life in early spring. Foxgloves grow better in slightly cooler climates and don't need much more than morning sun or even partial or day shade. All these plants, plus all the other plants you can dream of, are available at your local GCA Garden Centre. Don't know where one is? Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find a store near you.